Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new furniture in Heartopia, Rainbow Sugar Billboard. So right now Heartopia has a new limited event that called Rainbow First like this, and then in here you can get a new furniture that called Rainbow Sugar Billboard. And to get this furniture is very easy. First, just go to the Rainbow store that located near the central square over here, and then after that just tap on here, and then just tap on Rainbow Sugar Retail, and then in here you can buy the recipe, and then in here you can just buy this Rainbow Sugar Billboard. It costs 30 visiting star, so make sure you already have the enough visiting star, and after that just adjust the amount that you want to buy, and then next just simply tap on purchase, and just like that you will get the Rainbow Sugar Billboard. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.